Hey, this is Giovanni from the Santurce Salsa Club, Puerto Rico. Thank you for watching and thank you for booking the intro group lesson. I want to answer some of the questions that you might have. So, this is the first basic lesson that I offer. It's 1 hour, it's group. This is what's gonna happen. We're gonna meet by the Puerto Rican flag, 1049 Ashford Avenue at 7 p.m. You look for Ben & Jerry, yes, the Puerto Rican flag. We're gonna meet 5 minutes right before. Please make sure you're here on time because the first thing I'm gonna talk about is the rhythm, and the rhythm is very important. So we're gonna meet there. Please note that the class is outside. I have a plan B if the weather starts to deteriorate, but the class is outside. So what can you wear? Just casual dress, casual shoes, something comfortable for dancing. This is light dancing. We're not gonna dance like professional level after 1 hour, but something comfortable. Let me answer also some of the other questions that you might have. Some people ask me, is there parking? This is Condado. Yes, there is parking, but you're gonna have to most likely pay for that. If you go to the valet, they do charge a substantial amount of money for parking your car. You can look for free parking, but it's gonna take you some time. I highly recommend you to take Uber or walk if your hotel is close by. So, how many people are usually in my class? I got between 8 to 25 people. So if you go on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, this is most likely gonna be a big class, especially if it's during the high season. If you're doing on Monday or a Tuesday, we're most likely gonna be 8. So keep that in mind. You can change the date if you want, there's no problem. But if you go during the weekend, there's most likely gonna be more people. And then if you go during the week, it's gonna be less people. Most of the time I have an assistant, but still, if you want to learn, it's always better to come during the week. Can you just show up and pay cash? Absolutely, you can do that, but people who've paid before have priority. So if you come on the weekend, I might not be able to keep you a spot. If you come during the week, most likely yes. What kind of shoes should you wear? Just comfortable shoes, something to dance. It's very, very easy. Do I offer private? Absolutely, I offer private. I start at 45 an hour. I'll talk about it after the class. And yes, absolutely do private for you and your partner. And if you don't have a partner, I can look for one for you. I have children with me, can they dance? My experience is that it is hard to keep young children engaged for an entire full hour with adults. So if you have children 16 and above, you're probably gonna tag along. If you have children younger, it's gonna be a little bit hard. You're more than welcome to bring them. You're more than welcome to entertain them. But this is my experience. I couldn't show up to the class. I book. What are the refund policies? So I have 3 options for you. You can come back to the next class. Just come back because you're already a customer and just show up. You can give your ticket to a friend. Just say, hey, this is my friend, he has my ticket, no problem. Or if you absolutely cannot come back, I will fully refund you. And speaking of refund, if you're not happy 100% with my class, I refund you 100%, no question asked. I only want happy customers. So by booking with me, you really have no worry, you have nothing to worry about. I will refund you 100%. If you are not happy, you can look at my reviews. So if the class is already full, but I would like to have one more person, if it's one more person and we are 26 on the weekend instead of 25, it will be all right. But please, if you have groups, try to come during the week, because if we pass a certain number, then it becomes difficult. What if I don't have a partner? I can look for you for one if you want to do private after the class. If you don't have a partner, you come for the intro class, you will dance with somebody else because we switch partner. You don't have to. Some couples show up and they want to stay together. That's totally fine. But most of the couple do switch. So you're gonna come, you by yourself. You're definitely gonna dance with someone. And worst case scenario, you will dance with me. And I'm a horrible teacher. You're gonna hate me. So you'll be alright. What if I have 2 left feet? I have 2 left feet. We all have 2 left feet. You don't have 2 left feet. You just haven't found the right teacher yet. You just haven't found the passion. You don't have 2 left feet. It's just a question of practice. What if it rains? I covered that quickly. I have a plan B, but please keep in mind that in 90% of the case, the class is outside because in Puerto Rico, this is not really an issue. But there is not a studio. The class is outside, and yeah, I have a plan B for it. Don't worry about it. What if I want to go out and practice salsa with a group? So I have a group of more than 80 people all the time in the video. And then if you want to go out with us, you can just drop a message and then somebody reply, hey, I'm in that bar, let's go together. Okay, that covers most of the questions that people have. If you have more questions, you can contact me at Giovanni@Santurce Salsa Club. And I will see you very soon. Please leave a comment below. And this was Giovanni. Let's see this class. Let's do it. I'm excited.